How to become rich on an average salary. Most people believe you need a six-figure salary to get rich. But what if that's completely wrong? Most millionaires didn't start with six-figure incomes. They started with average paychecks. So, what's their secret? Today, I'll show you exactly how to build wealth, no matter what you earn. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to turn your salary into financial freedom. Make sure to stick around until the end, because we will reveal the biggest money traps silently keeping people broke. Let's dive in. 1. The money mindset shift. How the rich think differently. If you want to break free from financial struggle, the first step isn't earning more, it's thinking differently. The wealthy don't just make money, they use it strategically. Here's how their mindset sharply contrasts with the average person's. Money as a tool, not a reward. The rich don't see money as something to spend. They see it as a tool to build wealth. While most people buy liabilities, cars, gadgets, or expensive vacations, the wealthy buy assets that generate more money. Stocks, real estate, businesses. Invest first, spend later. Here's a key difference. The rich invest before they spend, while most people spend first and invest what's left, if anything. They prioritize making their money work for them, ensuring it grows before indulging in luxuries. The power of compounding. Wealth isn't built overnight. It comes from small, consistent actions over time. Imagine this. Mike spends $5 daily on coffee, snacks, and impulse purchases. James invests that same $5 in an index fund. Fast forward 30 years. Mike has nothing to show for it. But James? He could have hundreds of thousands of dollars, thanks to the magic of compounding interest. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about how you think about money. So the real question is, are you thinking like Mike or like James? 2. The 50-30-20 rule, a simple blueprint for financial success. Want a stress-free way to manage money while still enjoying life? The 50-30-20 rule is one of the simplest, most effective financial frameworks. It helps you control spending, grow wealth, and avoid financial stress without needing a huge salary. Here's how it works. 50% for essentials: rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. These are your must-haves, the non-negotiables. 30% for wants: entertainment, shopping, dining out, and hobbies. You don't have to cut out fun, but setting limits keeps it from derailing your financial goals. 20% for savings and investments. This is where wealth is built. Emergency funds, stock market investments, retirement accounts. This money works for your future. Real-life example. Meet Sarah. Sarah earns $50,000 a year and follows the 50-30-20 rule. $25,000 covers essentials. $15,000 is for discretionary spending. $10,000 goes into savings and investments. Now, here's the game changer. If Sarah wants to build wealth faster, she can tweak the formula, maybe investing 30% and cutting wants to 20%. It's not about restriction, it's about control. Follow this rule and you'll never wonder where your money went again. How do you currently split your income? Do you think you can adjust it to invest more? Managing your money is great, but saving alone won't make you rich. Now, let's talk about how to make your money work for you. 3. Where to invest your money. Best options for growth. Once you've set aside money for investing, the next big question is, where should you put it? The right investments can grow your wealth over time, but knowing where to start is key. Here are 4 of the best options. 1. Index funds and ETFs. If you want instant diversification with minimal effort, index funds and ETFs are a great choice. They spread your investment across multiple companies, reducing risk while providing steady returns. Example: the S&P 500 has historically averaged around 10% annual returns, a solid choice for long-term growth. 2. Dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks don't just grow in value, they pay you passive income along the way. Reinvesting dividends can supercharge your portfolio over time. Example: companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson have a long history of consistently paying dividends. 3. Real estate. Owning rental properties can generate steady cash flow while appreciating in value over time. But if buying real estate isn't an option, REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you invest in property markets without owning physical property. Fear to side hustles and business investments. Sometimes the best investment is in your own skills and ideas. Starting a side business or freelancing can create additional income streams and even replace your primary job over time. Example: a simple blog, YouTube channel, or freelance business can turn into a significant revenue stream with consistency. The key is to start early. Time in the market beats timing the market, so the sooner you invest, the greater your potential returns. But what if you don't have thousands of dollars to invest right away? That's where most people get it wrong. You don't need a fortune to build wealth. Even small, consistent investments can turn into millions over time. Let's break it down. 4. Why small investments matter. Turning $300 per month into millions. Many people think they need a lot of money to start investing, but that's not true. Even small, consistent investments can lead to massive wealth over time, all thanks to compound interest. Let's break it down. If you invest just $300 per month into an index fund with an average 10% annual return, here's what happens. After 10 years, $57,000. After 20 years, $206,000. After 30 years, $1,093,000. That's over $1 million from just a few hundred per month. How? Because you're not just earning interest on what you invest. You're earning interest on your interest, and that growth keeps accelerating. This is why the key to building wealth isn't waiting for the perfect moment. It's starting early and staying consistent. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to multiply. Are you letting time work for you or against you? Most people don't fail because they don't make enough money. They fail because they make the following crucial financial mistakes. If you don't avoid them, no salary increase will ever make you rich. 5. Avoiding financial pitfalls. Common mistakes that hinder wealth building. Building wealth isn't just about what you do, it's also about what you avoid doing. Here are the biggest financial mistakes that can slow you down or completely derail your progress. But before that, do you remember Mike? He didn't just waste $5 a day, he fell into these common financial traps. Don't make the same mistakes. 1. Lifestyle inflation. As income grows, many people increase their spending instead of investing more. The wealthy keep expenses controlled and use extra income to build assets, not liabilities. 2. High interest debt. Credit card debt and payday loans can cripple your financial growth. Pay off high interest debt first before focusing on investments. 3. No emergency fund. Without 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, unexpected costs can force you into debt. An emergency fund protects your investments from being cashed out at the wrong time. 4. Inconsistent investing. Skipping investments to wait for the right time or because of short-term expenses delays your financial goals. Set up automatic contributions and invest consistently, no matter what. 5. Falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Scams and risky investments promising huge returns overnight often lead to big losses. Real wealth is built through smart, patient decisions over time. Boosting income. Strategies beyond your salary. If saving and investing seem impossible on your current income, focus on earning more. Ask for a raise. Negotiate if you're underpaid or excelling at work. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, tutoring, or selling online can add extra income. Upgrade your skills. Certifications and training can lead to higher paying jobs. Switch careers. Some industries simply pay more. Consider a transition if necessary. 6. Frugality, a secret wealth weapon. Being intentional with spending doesn't mean deprivation. It means creating a budget and sticking to it. Prioritizing needs. Over wants to free up cash for investing. Cutting unnecessary expenses like daily takeout or unused subscriptions. Wealth isn't about what you earn. It's about what you keep and grow. 7. The hidden cost of taxes. Taxes can eat up a huge chunk of your earnings if you're not careful. Maximize. Tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Employer-matched contributions. This is free money. Tax-efficient investing, like holding index funds in taxable accounts to reduce capital gains. Keeping more of your money invested accelerates wealth building. 8. Staying patient and disciplined. Wealth building is a long game. The biggest mistake? Chasing short-term gains or panicking during downturns. Avoid emotional investing. Stick to your long-term plan. Review and adjust when needed, but don't abandon smart strategies due to fear. Time in the market beats trying to time the market. 9. Creating multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. Wealthy people build multiple streams of income. Dividend stocks generate passive income. Rental income. Rent out property or unused space. Digital products. Sell ebooks, courses, or software. More income sources mean more financial security and faster wealth building. 10. Investing in knowledge. The more you learn, the better your financial decisions will be. Read books on investing and wealth building. Attend finance workshops and seminars. Follow successful investors and financial experts. Making informed decisions reduces risk and maximizes returns. 11. Surrounding yourself with the right people. Wealth building is easier with the right support system. Join online communities focused on finance. Attend networking events with like-minded individuals. Surround yourself with people who encourage smart financial habits. Having a strong financial network keeps you motivated and accountable. Avoid these common mistakes, stay consistent, and act. The real question is, which one will you start fixing today? Final thoughts. Start your wealth building journey. Today, becoming rich on an average salary isn't just possible, it's achievable with the right mindset and strategy. Here's what it takes. Shift your mindset. Treat money as a tool for growth, not just spending. Follow proven frameworks like the 50-30-20 rule to manage your income wisely. Invest consistently. Even small amounts grow over time. Avoid financial pitfalls like lifestyle inflation and high-interest debt. Boost your income through side hustles, skill upgrades, or career moves. The most important step? Start today. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Start today, and let's talk. What's your biggest financial goal? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one. If this video helped you, share it with a friend who needs to hear this. You might just change their life.